Hello, my name is Santi Indra Astuti from the Faculty of Communication Science, Unisba. Today, I would like to share to you my paper titled In Search of Indonesian-Based Digital Literacy Curriculum through Tular Nalar. Tular Nalar is a program designed to build critical thinking by using media digital literacy approach. The paper, which I wrote here with two of my colleagues, Giri Lumakto and Henny Mulyati, recorded the ongoing journey of building whole package of Tular Nalar. I would like to start with the fact that Indonesians' internet users are growing rapidly, especially during this pandemic. 64% of 175.4 million of Indonesians are internet users. They spend nearly 8 hours in the internet. Social media users are also increasing to 160 million of the population. It means nearly 60 hours and 60% of Indonesians are using social media for many purposes. This profile led to one conclusion: the escalations of internet consumption. However, other problems arise. Along with the unlimited information, there are risks of harmful information widely spread among uncritical public. Countless sources of information offer unlimited information, which is increasingly difficult to orient in and to verify its validity and relevance. The information ecosystem is in havoc and unstable, leads to three kinds of information: misinformation, disinformation, and malinformation. Responding to this situation, a disciplinary approach to punish those who violate the regulation is not enough. To change permanently, a new curriculum of media literacy that is able to accommodate the dynamics of media technology development is urgently needed. Not only able to adjust with the development of the literacy concept itself, such curriculum is needed to cater the new culture and lifestyle of media users as well. Otherwise, concern on negative media effects will be unanswered. As an effort to handle the issue, several civil society organizations initiated the Tular Nalar program, which is designed to empower the public with critical thinking based on media literacy movement. There are steps or stages to implement it, including building curriculum as foundation. This article discusses how the Tular Nalar curriculum was constructed based on AD approach. Employing qualitative research, the techniques of data gathering are focus group discussion, in-depth interviews, and systematic literature review. Now, I would like to pass to my colleague Henny Mulyati to continue this presentation. Henny, over to you.
Thank you, Mrs. Santi. Hello, my name is Henny Mulyati from Afindo. I would like to share about the methods, the steps, and the results. The research method used was Design-Based Research or DBR, or Educational Design Research (EDR), by Emil and Reeve 2008. The first stage in DBR consists of problem identification and analysis, program development, testing and implementation, and reflection to obtain the design principles as expected. From the first stage above, the research reached the program development stage. The following are the steps for the research. First, problem analysis. In this stage, the researcher analyzes and formulates design for curriculum development. Researchers conducted a review of the digital literacy curriculum compiled by UNESCO, UNICEF, Museum, and the Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture. Researchers also conducted interview with a number of stakeholders related to digital literacy and media literacy issues that will be developed. Second, program design. Researchers developed the Tular Nalar curriculum by involving 8 experts in the fields of media literacy, education curriculum, digital citizenship, health literacy, disaster management, intolerance and diversity, disabilities, and digital parenting. The Tular Nalar curriculum was developed according to the Indonesian context and can be used by anyone. The application of the Tular Nalar curriculum can be done online and face-to-face. Third, evaluation. According to Branch 2009, there are two main types of evaluation used in AD approach. First, formative evaluation, and second, summative evaluation. In this study, after the Tular Nalar curriculum was structured, researchers would use formative evaluation to see to what extent this curriculum is in accordance with the curriculum objectives. Researchers use the peer review methods by experts in their fields, small group trials, and field trials. As this process hasn't finished yet, no result will be shared in this article. Now I would like to pass to my colleague, Mr. Giri Lukmanto, to share finding and discussion. Mr. Giri, over to you.
Thank you, Mbak Hani, for the time. I would like to share the discussions and findings of what we have done through Tular Nalar team. The Tular Nalar team have done 3 steps to formulate and to produce a curriculum for Tular Nalar. There are 3 steps that we have done. The first step was analyzing the issues in digital and media literacy using what we had done, the questionnaires and in-depth interview with experts. The second step was conceptualizing the curriculum framework, as what Mbak Henny had said. And finally, the third step was elaborations and monitoring and also evaluations. In analyzing the issues of digital and media literacy, the team have conducted questionnaires and in-depth interview, and then we understand there are 3 learnings platforms that have been very popular in Indonesia. There are learning platforms, and then also curriculum platforms, and then the last one is the resource platforms. The Tular Nalar curriculums should be in the intersections between these 3 platforms of learnings. The Tular Nalar curriculum frameworks offer 3 distinct functions, namely for reference, or public repository, and then a standalone training materials, and supplementary resource for existing digital and media literacy for national curriculum. In other words, the prospect curriculum or Tular Nalar with its virtual learning employs both asynchronous and synchronous approaches. From the Venn diagram, we see the intersections between curriculum and resource platform caters a reference or public repository site. It is where one could do self-study course with available curriculum or modules. Curriculum platform offers conceptual and applicable frameworks, offer insights and best practice of running of past curricula. The second one, learning platforms that combine with resource platform create a likely two-way interactions between mentor and students or participants joining the learning platform. It is in which students learn from mentors using various approaches, materials, and assessment techniques of interactive site. And finally, the intersection between curriculum and learning platforms offer self-study of virtual teaching learning classroom. The teaching learning process would be more automated, which means all the learning guidelines and materials are available one click away. In designing, in contextualizing the Tular Nalar curriculums, we have discussed 8 different themes that comprises 8 competency with 3 different aspects or levels that follow. The themes are digital and media literacy, which is berdaya internet, and then pre-service teachers, internet dan ruang kelas, health and misinfodemic, or internet dan kesehatan, active citizenships, or menjadi warga digital. Number 5 is digital parenting, or internet dan keluarga. Number 6, discriminations and intolerance, or internet damai. Number 7 is disaster mitigation, internet dan siaga bencana. The last one is ability, or internet melangkul sesama. This is our most prominent themes in Tular Nalar curriculum. With 8 competencies that comprise 8 different steps of thinking critically. The first one is accessing informations. The second one, organizing informations, designing informations, processing informations, sharing informations, being resilient, protecting data and privacy, collaborating. These all have 3 different levels or aspects. It is to know, to respond, and to be resilient. In completing the platforms, the students should be able to think critically with 8 different themes and then with 8 different competency and should accomplish 3 aspects or levels. That is the curriculum Tular Nalar. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.